Welcome back to DQD. Today we're going to do an unboxing, another one again.
Another one.
You guys already know I collect pops now, so my father bought me another pop, so I don't know what it is. So let's get into it. It's box, brown, stuff on it. Remember, safety first. My daddy's going to open this box. Okay, guys, I'm going to try to open this without looking. What the? Oh. Am I close? Oh, this is a big thing. Is there another one? No more. Can I open? LeBron James. Oh yeah. LeBron James. Got a big old beard. He got his own jerseys. And we got Ben Simmons. Woo! He's cold. Plays for the 76ers. Got his Jordans on. Woo! Look fresh. Ready for that game. Ben Simmons and LeBron James. Whew, excited about that.
What's LeBron?
First, these are my first NBA pops. I want Stephen Curry, Kyrie Irving, Kevin Durant, Russell Westbrook, Paul George, Jimmy Butler, Lonzo.
How about Kevin Durant?
Already said Kevin Durant. Oh, Carl Anthony Towns plays for the Timberwolves. I basically like almost all the person that you know. That's good. That's all I want.
You don't like Aaron Gordon?
I don't know who Aaron Gordon is. I definitely don't want Brooke Lopez.
Yeah, he's
Well, he's a good rebounder. Comment down below what's your favorite NBA player. Thanks, Dad, for the pops. Comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.
Peace.
Peace.
Yeah!